There's a trick to increase all these column numbers at the same time. First, in an empty cell, type a number that you want to increase the column numbers by. Select that cell and press Ctrl and C on your keyboard to copy. Now select your range of column numbers. From the home menu, click the Paste drop-down option and choose Paste Special. From the Paste Special pop-up window, from the Paste options, choose Values, and from Operation, choose Add, and click OK. And your column numbers have been instantly increased. You can also subtract your column numbers. From Paste Special, choose Values and Subtract, and click OK. And your column numbers have been decreased instantly.